Yes, so we had an idea of what storyline could do, and so we needed to find out who was going to be our target audience, along with what we wanted the target audience to be able to do. We wanted to target this towards children aged roughly about 8 years of age, and we wanted them to be able to learn. That was the biggest part for this. Was we wanted the kids to learn when they're not at schools or to enjoy learning, and so we chose maths, which is probably one of the most fun subjects to learn. It was initially hard to learn what kids wanted to learn and their way of learning. But I think adding in the point and click adventure with maths, first of all, it's discovering the question, and then secondly, it's the challenge of answering the question and getting it right. So that was the biggest issue for us, was making sure that people who played the game had fun, and that was the main objective of that.